Hey everyone, if Logseq suddenly displays an unexpected error message, crashes while loading, or stops working without a clear explanation, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq unexpected errors in 2026. First, restart Logseq and see if the error disappears. Many temporary issues are resolved simply by closing the application completely and reopening it. Next, restart your computer. A full system reboot can clear temporary conflicts, background processes, and memory-related problems that may be causing Logseq to behave unexpectedly. Another common fix is updating Logseq to the latest version. Developers regularly release updates that address bugs, stability issues, and compatibility problems. If the error appeared after installing a plugin, temporarily disable community plugins and launch Logseq again. Faulty or outdated plugins are one of the most common causes of unexpected errors. You should also check whether the graph you're opening is damaged or corrupted. Try opening a different graph to determine whether the issue is related to Logseq itself or a specific workspace. Another helpful step is reviewing any recent changes you made before the error started. Imported files, custom configurations, themes, or plugin installations may be responsible. And that's how to fix Logseq unexpected errors in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, disabling problematic plugins, checking graph integrity, and clearing cache files will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.